How's it going? We got another build from our comments. You should come check this out. A little while ago, we ended up 3D printing and designing a 3D printed spring-loaded press for our inserts. And somebody in the comments suggested that we end up 3D printing and designing what we did for the thumbnail for this. I didn't know what a block press was, so I had to get to work on researching. ChatGPT and Google do just fine for this. One of my favorite things to do is design for other people because it gets me out of myself. After the design work, this is kind of what you get left with. I ended up making a snapping feature so that these fit in just right. On the first try on the actual models that came off the printer, these didn't work out too well, so I had to make the design more robust. Hence, here's the model that ended up coming out at the end. It snaps off really well. It looks really neat. It's all the way around this time. And then it snaps right back in just as well. And I'm excited to get to use this, but we have to wait for the TPU to come in. So you'll have to wait and see for a part 2. Another feature I added to this was the ability to just magnetize it so that with our stamps, we'll be able to just take them on and off as needed. Grateful to our 3D printers, and we're getting close to 100 subscribers, so we'll be doing a special video for that coming soon. I like doing these projects from people in the comments, so if you have something that you want us to maybe design and 3D print and you want to see it here on the channel, leave that down here in the comments and we'll catch you later. Peace.